Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is hella fucking early. It's not even 7. Please ignore this. Yeah. But anyways, I'm going to show you guys the second tutorial on this. It's just going to be a quick little tutorial. This is the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I'm going to take Temptress right here and put it all over my eyelid and blend it out. It is so early, you guys. Like, I'm not even joking how early it is. My mom yesterday was like, be ready by 7:25. Not even 7:30. 7:25. That is so damn early, and my cat is chewing my tree. Sissy! If you heard her meow, that was her. Leave it alone. God. So it is so early. I don't want to hear it. Maybe it'll be easier to look in here. No. Sorry, guys. Let me turn this way so you guys see it. There we go. I am going to leave all my makeup videos unedited. Just because, yeah, I feel like so many people say, oh, you're lying about the pigment. You're lying about it all. And I don't want to be that person. Not bad. Let me get into the light. I don't know how I feel about trying to blend these shadows out, guys. It's not going too well. I'm only going to do one eye today because I'm doing the other eye off camera. Actually, not too bad. I'm not doing anything under my eye today. Or am I? Yeah. Ignore my faces. I'm just going to do a little bit on the outer corner on the bottom, guys. Of the same shade, Temptress. Okay. Fix my eyelashes, go in my eye. Okay. Blend a little bit up here. And then I'm going to take some, I don't know what shade to take. I guess I'm going to take some Queen today on my pinky. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Actually, that's kind of pretty. Alright, so I'm doing my mascara and everything off camera because I have a hard time doing it while on camera. I'm actually going to go ahead and add some more of that shade right here on the very inner corner of my lid. Just because it's so pretty. Let me make you guys come to the light. It's actually super pretty. Alright, you guys, so here is the eye look. Just 2 shades, super easy. Nothing too difficult. I will see you guys later. I'm gonna go curl my lashes and put on some mascara. So here is the eye look with the second Butter London powder, or the same Butter London Natural Goddess palette. These are the shades again if you guys don't remember. Alright, so I love you guys. Merry Christmas, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.